Whether you're a professional plumber or a DIY enthusiast, having the right sewer inspection camera can save you time, money, and effort. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best sewer pipe inspection cameras you can buy right now. Let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Vevor Sewer Pipe Inspection Camera. The Vevor Sewer Pipe Inspection Camera is a professional-grade tool designed to simplify the process of inspecting pipelines, especially in hard-to-reach or complex areas. Central to its user experience is a vibrant 4.3-inch color TFT LCD screen, which offers a clear and broad viewing area. This screen supports a resolution of 1200 TVL, ensuring sharp and detailed images. Additionally, the device features a DVR function coupled with a 16GB micro SD card, enabling users to record and store inspection footage for later review or analysis. At the heart of the system is the IP68 waterproof camera with a slim 0.7-inch diameter, making it compatible with a wide range of pipe sizes. It effectively navigates straight pipes ranging from 0.98 to 3.94 inches in diameter, and right-angle pipes between 1.97 and 3.94 inches. The camera's integrated flexible spring allows smooth maneuvering through bends and turns, which are typically difficult to access. 6 built-in LED lights provide ample illumination, ensuring clear visibility even in dark or murky pipe interiors. The inspection camera kit includes a durable 98.4-foot-long cable designed to reach deep inside pipes while withstanding rough conditions. To manage this extended cable efficiently, the package also comes with a convenient cable reel, helping users keep the workspace organized and tangle-free. Powering the device is a robust 8500 mAh lithium battery capable of supporting continuous operation for up to 14 hours on a full charge. This long-lasting battery also includes an indicator that displays the remaining capacity, allowing users to monitor power levels during inspections and plan their work accordingly. Overall, the Vevor Sewer Pipe Inspection Camera combines portability, durability, and advanced functionality, making it a valuable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike who require detailed inspection of sewer and pipeline systems. Coming in at number 4, the Esanhao Sewer Pipe Inspection Camera. The Esanhao Sewer Pipe Inspection Camera is a practical tool designed to facilitate plumbing inspections in hard-to-reach areas. Featuring a 4.3-inch IPS HD color screen, this device allows users to clearly view the inside of pipes and drains with ease. Equipped with a 32GB TF card, it can capture high-quality photos and record detailed videos seamlessly. A sun visor is included, enhancing outdoor visibility during inspections under bright conditions. At the heart of this inspection system is a 22mm HD camera boasting 1000 TVL megapixels and 1080p super definition resolution, which ensures crisp and clear images. The camera comes with 12 adjustable brightness LEDs, enabling it to illuminate dark sewer pipes and drains effectively. With a wide 145-degree viewing angle, users gain a comprehensive view of inspection areas, making it easier to identify blockages or damages. Powered by a built-in 5600 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, the Esanhao inspection camera offers up to 8 hours of continuous operation, supporting extended use without frequent recharging. Its portability is enhanced by a 5mm fiber tube with a high-intensity cable that is both flexible and durable. The cable is marked at every meter, allowing precise measurement of the camera's depth during inspections, which assists in locating issues accurately within pipes. Overall, the Esanhao Sewer Pipe Inspection Camera combines advanced imaging technology with practical design features, providing a reliable solution for professional plumbers and DIY users needing to inspect sewer lines and plumbing systems efficiently. At number 3, we have the Jqkjcam Sewer Pipe Inspection Camera. The Jqkjcam sewer pipe inspection camera is a professional-grade tool designed for clear and efficient sewer and pipe inspections. Featuring a 23mm 1080p high-definition lens with IP68 waterproof technology, this camera can navigate through pipes, sewers, and drains to capture crystal-clear images and videos. Its 12 bright white LED lights provide excellent night vision, with adjustable brightness controlled via a knob on the battery box, making it easy to see even in the darkest environments. The camera is flexible enough to pass through bends of 90 degrees or more, allowing comprehensive inspection of complex piping systems. This inspection system comes with a 9-inch HD monitor that displays sharp, detailed visuals in real time. Equipped with a DVR function and a 16GB SD card, it allows users to record inspection footage effortlessly. The recorded videos and images can be reviewed on the spot or shared online for further analysis or documentation. This feature makes it especially useful for professionals who need to report or archive their findings. All components, including the monitor, battery, and accessories, are housed in a durable engineering box designed for tough working conditions. The cable is reinforced with a meter counter printed along its length, enabling precise tracking of how far the camera has traveled inside the pipe. An external cable spool simplifies the process of pulling out and rewinding the cable, adding convenience during inspection tasks. Overall, the Jqkjcam sewer pipe inspection camera provides a reliable, high-quality solution for plumbing professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, helping to identify blockages, leaks, or damage with precision and ease. Next up at number 2 is the Sanyipace sewer pipe inspection camera. The Sanyipace sewer pipe inspection camera offers a blend of compact design and advanced functionality, making it an excellent tool for thorough pipe inspections. Featuring an upgraded, smaller camera probe with a diameter of just 0.67 inches, this device excels at navigating tight curves and bends, including challenging S-traps and P-traps. This compact size allows for seamless exploration in confined spaces where larger cameras may struggle. Designed with user comfort and practicality in mind, the inspection camera boasts an ergonomic handle for easy grip and portability. Its sturdy iron storage box not only protects the device, but also helps keep all components organized and secure. The camera's frame has been reinforced to enhance stability, preventing unwanted shifts when rewinding the cable onto the reel, which ensures smoother operation during use. Powered by a robust 5600 mAh rechargeable battery, the camera supports up to 7 hours of continuous inspection, supported by a high-resolution 1/3 CMOS sensor that performs exceptionally well in low-light environments. This ensures clear, detailed images even within dark pipes. One of the standout features is the built-in advanced microphone and speaker, which allows users to record audio alongside video. This capability facilitates more comprehensive documentation and analysis of inspection data. The camera comes with a 16GB TF card, expandable up to 32GB, providing ample storage for recording and comparing sewer conditions over time. The Sanyipace camera delivers high-resolution video at 1000 TVL and displays images on a true-color 4.3-inch LCD monitor. The monitor includes a sun visor for enhanced outdoor visibility and additional protection. 8 adjustable bright LED lights illuminate the inspection area, producing sharp, vibrant color images and videos, which aid in identifying cracks, leaks, blockages, and other potential issues within sewer systems. Overall, the Sanyipace sewer pipe inspection camera combines compact design, long battery life, and advanced imaging with audio recording capabilities, making it a reliable choice for professional and detailed sewer inspections. Finally, at number 1, we have the Eixaup sewer pipe inspection camera. The Eixaup sewer pipe inspection camera is a versatile and robust tool designed to simplify the process of inspecting pipes and other hard-to-reach areas. Featuring a compact 22mm diameter IP68 waterproof camera probe equipped with 12 adjustable bright white LEDs, it delivers clear visuals even in dark or confined spaces. The camera is connected to a semi-rigid 5mm cable that extends up to 100 feet, allowing for deep exploration of pipes, sewers, chimneys, HVAC ducts, and P-structure systems. One of the standout features of the Eixaup system is its built-in locator with a 512 Hz probe signal. This locator works in tandem with a receiver to precisely track the position of the camera probe underground or inside pipework, making it easier to pinpoint exact problem spots in cast iron, clay, or plastic pipes. The device's sturdy aluminum alloy housing ensures durability and ease of transport between job sites. The multifunctional control box enhances usability with functions like screen rotation, which prevents upside-down images, and adjustable zoom to focus on areas of interest. It is powered by a rechargeable battery offering up to 8 hours of operation, with the option to switch to AC power if the battery runs out. The control box features a large 7-inch LCD color screen that provides crisp, clear images, supplemented by a sun visor to maintain screen visibility in bright outdoor conditions. Additionally, the system includes DVR capabilities with an 8GB SD card for recording video and capturing photos. This makes documentation straightforward and facilitates easy transfer of files to a computer for analysis or reporting. The all-in-one design of the Eixaup sewer pipe inspection camera system equips plumbers and homeowners alike with a reliable solution to inspect and diagnose issues within various types of piping and ductwork, making maintenance and repair work more efficient and informed.